So we will discuss about the tense rule related to voice. So total how many types of tense are there? Okay, main 3 parts. Mainly how many parts? 3. And what are the sub parts? Total how many parts? 12 parts. Total how many parts? 12 parts. Let's draw one table. Mainly it's divided into 3 parts. The first one is present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. These are the main parts. Now after this is divided into more 4 parts. In each tense is divided into further 4 parts. The first one is present simple tense, second one is present continuous tense, third one is perfect tense, and then perfect continuous tense. Is this clear? The first one is present simple tense, second one is present continuous tense, third one is present perfect tense, then present perfect continuous tense. Clear now? Again same condition: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. And about this future: simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Helping verbs are clear. In present simple tense there are 2 helping verbs. One is do and one is does. Do and does. In present continuous tense there are 3 helping verbs: am, is, are. Am, is, are. In present perfect continuous tense 2 helping verbs: have and has. In present perfect continuous tense have been and has been. Have been and has been. Now we will discuss about past simple tense. So what's the helping verb for past simple tense? Did. Past continuous tense: was and were. Was and were. Past perfect tense: had. Past perfect tense: had. And past perfect continuous tense: had been. Had been. Now again for future simple tense. For future simple tense, one is will and another one is shall, or shall or will. First is shall, first one is shall, and second one is will. For future continuous tense, what are the helping verbs? Shall be and will be. For future perfect tense, shall have and will have. Shall have and will have. And for future perfect continuous tense, shall have been and will have been. Shall have been and will have been. This much is clear. Now see very carefully the most important part. Okay, normal, if any sentence is written in this format, like in tense format, so that is called active voice. Now suppose there is a question, the question is related to active voice. Now in voice we have to forward the tense को आगे बढ़ा देते हैं. If the question is related to present simple tense, if the question is related to present simple tense, so it will be forwarded into present continuous tense. If the active voice is present perfect tense, so like in passive voice it will be converted into present perfect continuous tense. If active voice is past simple tense, so it will be converted into past continuous tense. If the active voice is past perfect tense, so past perfect tense will get converted into past perfect continuous tense. If the active voice is future simple tense, so it will get converted into future continuous tense. If the active voice is future perfect tense, future perfect tense, so it will be converted into future perfect continuous tense. This much rule is clear. This much is clear. If the active voice is present simple tense, so that will be converted into present continuous tense. If the active voice is past simple tense, so that will be converted into past continuous tense. If the active voice is future simple tense, so it will get converted into future continuous tense. Present perfect tense will get converted into present perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense will get converted into past perfect continuous tense. Future perfect tense will get converted into future perfect continuous tense. We will only have to take the helping verbs. बाकी किसी से कुछ मतलब नहीं है, बस क्या लेना है, helping verb. If the question is given in like active voice in present simple tense, so it will get converted into present continuous tense. What we have to choose from there? Only helping verb. बस helping verb ही लेना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं देखना है. This much is clear. Now second condition, if the, I just told you that there are two types of structure. One is for continuous tense and one is for non-continuous tense. These are continuous tense.
No, sir.
But if the question is in continuous tense, अगर question कौन से tense में लिखा हो, continuous tense, so we will just convert in the same. Okay, उसको उसी में convert करना है. Like am is are, so we have to use am is are. Only one thing will be extra, we have to add being, that being structure. Past continuous tense will get converted into past continuous tense. Same tense, but what will be extra word? Being. B-E-I-N-G. Being. Future continuous tense, if the question is written in future continuous tense, so we have to write down in the same future continuous tense. But which format, which formula? That being formula, being structure. Before 2 minutes I made you write down the being structure. No, if the sentence is not continuous tense, so what is structured? If the sentence is continuous tense, so we have to follow this being structure. What's the being structure? Object plus helping verb plus being plus third form of main verb plus object. Okay, plus by plus subject. Clear now? Okay, and this is the most important table. Actually, do one thing, just draw this table, and after that we will discuss about this. Okay, draw this table very nicely. Draw this table.